Molweni, Sanibonani, Dumela, Abusheni. Hello everybody, and welcome back to African Xhosa ASMR. So in today's video, I will be reading you guys song lyrics. When I went live on this other day, some of you guys said you would love to hear what South African R&B, Xhosa R&B sounds like. So I decided to cover a song, or at least maybe two songs, by the king of South African love jams. That is none other than Ringo Madlingozi. He made a lot of hits that lasted for generations upon generations. And till this day, people still use his music on their wedding days as the wedding theme song. Without Ringo Madlingozi, there would be no Vusi Nova today. And that's my opinion. So he made legendary music. He is a singer, songwriter, and a producer. So it was difficult for me to choose a song from him, I'm not gonna lie, but I chose Sondela because it's one of his greatest hits, famous hits. And after I'm done with Sondela, I will do Nakum. I'll read the song entirely in Xhosa, and after I'm done reading each song in Xhosa, I will then translate to English. Hopefully you will enjoy watching this video. Just sit back, relax, and without further ado, let's get started. Singaphosanga maseko, masigawule, siwahot. So, by the way, if you want to check out me translating other Xhosa songs, I have done a couple. And I also even translated the Lion King theme song, because some of you don't know that the Lion King was actually performed by Lebo M, who is South African, and it's also in Zulu or Xhosa. So I translated Nansi Ngonyama Bagiti Babo, which is there comes a lion, brothers and sisters. So if you want to see how that song is or how it's translated, check out those videos. I'll put the links to those videos in the description box if you are interested. So now let's focus on Ringo, and his song that I will start with is Sondela, and it reads: Eyam ndedwa, eyam, oh ndiyayithanda le ntombi. Sondela sithandwa, sondela. Naluthando lwam lugqibe lonke, thatha uthando lwam. Imbuqalanye, yeyam ndedwa, yeyam, oh ndiyayithanda le ntombi. Amehlo ayo ayandibulala, oh ndiyayithanda le ntombi. Sondela, sondela sithandwa, sondela. Noba bangathini ngawe, bamba isandla sami. Ngowam lona, ngowam, oh ndiyamthanda lo mntwana. Bezeka. Let's wait for the car, let's wait for the car. Noma bangathini ngawe, bamba isandla sam. Ngowam lona, ngowam, oh, ndiyamthanda lo mntwana. Amehlo akhe ayandibulala, ndiyamthanda lo mntwana. Oh, Sondela, Sondela sithandwa, Sondela. Ngeke ndikuphoxe, ngeke ndikuphoxe. Ntandwa yam, sithandwa sam, ngohlala ngingowakho, oh, kude kude kuyovalwa. Ngeke ndikuphoxa, ngohlala ndikuthanda, ndikuthanda. Ungowam kude kuyovalwa. Ngeke ndikuphoxe. Ntandwa yam, ngohlala ndingowakho, oh, kude kuyovalwa. Ungabuphindi uhambe, sithandwa sam. Okay, now let us translate the song. This is based on how I would translate the song based on how I'm listening to it. So this is how I would translate it. Eyam ndedwa, eyam, oh, ndiyayithanda le ntombi. That would mean she's mine, oh, the girl is mine, or the lady is mine. Sondela sithandwa, Sondela, which means come closer, my love, come closer. Nalu thando lwam lugqibe lonke, thatha uthando lwam umgqibo qalanye. Which means come closer, baby, come closer. Nalu thando lwam lugqibe lonke. Here's my love, take all of it, take all of my love. Thatha uthando lwam ulugqibe umgqibo qalanye. I guess it says, I don't know what umgqibo qalanye means, honestly. All I know is that this part just says, take my love belongs to you and only you, nobody else, just take my love. And then it says, eyami ndedwa, yeyami, oh, ndiyayithanda le ntombi, amehlo ayo ayandibulala, which means the girl is mine, this girl is mine, this lady is mine, I love her with all of my heart. Amehlo akhe ayandibulala, her eyes, oh my goodness, her eyes, they kill me. So beautiful, such beautiful eyes. Oh, ndiyayithanda le ntombi, Sondela. Oh, I love you, my love. Come closer. And then, noba bangathini ngawe, bamba isandla sam. Ngowam lona, ngowam. Which means, I don't care what other people say about you. Just hold my hand. I will be with you through thick and thin. Let's just not care about what other people think about us, or there are other people's opinion about our relationship. You are mine, and we belong together. Just hold my hand. And then it say, oh, ndiyamthanda lo mntwana. Amehlo akhe ayandibulala, ndiyamthanda lo mntwana, oh, Sondela, which is a repetition of I love this lady. Her eyes are killing me. Come closer, I love you. And then it says, ngeke ndikuphoxe, ntandwa yam, which means I will never ever let you down. I will never disappoint you. You are the love of my life. Ntanda yam, my love. And then Kohlala ngingowakho oh kude kude kuyovalwa, which means I will forever and always be yours now till the very end. I will never stop loving you. And then it says again, ngeke ndikuphoxe kohlala ngikuthanda ungowam kude kuyovalwa, which means ngeke ndikuphoxe, which means I'll never disappoint you, I will never let you down. Kohlala ngikuthanda, which means I will forever love you, love you, love you. Ukuthanda is to love. Kohlala ngikuthanda, I will love you forever and always. Ungowam kude kuyovalwa, you'll forever be my love till the end. And then ngeke ndikuphoxe hey ntandwa yam kohlala ngingowakho oh, and then he just uses expressions, but oh I love you so much, you'll forever be mine till the very end, you know, we're in this together. Kude kuyovalwa ngeke ungaphindi uhambe sithandwa sam. And then the last part says ungaphindi uhambe sithandwa sam, which means please don't ever leave me again. I don't know, maybe they left before, so now he's saying ungaphindi uhambe again, which means don't leave again. Or maybe it could mean that please never leave me, but ungaphindi uhambe means don't leave me again. Sithandwa sam, my love. And yeah, that is basically this first song. I covered Sondela by Ringo Madlingozi. Now let's move to the second and last song by Utata Ringo Madlingozi, and it's Nakum. Let's see, where is it? Okay, it's not there. Let's just type it. Nakum. Let's see. This one is a bit dramatic. It's like, so I don't know, but it's I feel like it's a bit dramatic. But anyway, let's read it. Nakum by Ringo Madlingozi. It says, Suka uyandisita bekela, hey man dlula awuboni uyandiphazamisa, yo sisi matsatsa lo mntwana lo. Yivilizwi lakhe. And then the girl says, cela ukuhlala ndedwa, ndifuna ukuhlala nawe, yimabhoti andikhathali, andifuni wena, shh, mamela, inhliziyo yam neyakho zibetha kanye, thembisa kuyohlala kunjalo, ngoba ndiyakuthembisa angeke ndakulibala, nanini na uyawuhlala uhlele engqondweni yam, uyinto yonke kum nakum, ndingakufela ndiyakuthanda, amaqhinga aphelile ndiyazifela, sondela sithandwa sisimatsatsa lo mntwana yo. And then yivilizwi lakhe, ndicela igama lakho. Then where was I? And then that's the chorus. Basically, it says tana tanana tile tile tanana oh tile tile tanana oh tile tile tanana, and then oh woza dali woza sweetie woza dali. I think I hear a car once again. Let's just wait for it. Okay. I film my videos around 3 a.m. So there are a lot of cars which I don't understand, like where are they going at 3 a.m. But I don't know. This mic picks up everything, and when you're filming at night, every sound you can hear. So that's basically it. Where was I? Angeke ndikulibale yo awu mntasekhaya ndingakulibala kanjani phezu kwayo yonke into ndenzele yona awu kuzo zonke izinto ondibonise zona angeke ndikulibale yo into engeke yenzeke leyo kum nakum kanti kum futhi angeke. So it says suka uyandisita. It says suka uyandisita bekela, which means hey, can you please move to the side? You're blocking my view. Just move to the side, please. And then uyandisita bekela. And then hey mani dlula awuboni uyandiphazamisa yo, which means please man, can you just move to the side already? Like I said, you're blocking my view. Like you're just blocking my view. Man, yo. You know, it's an expression. Yo is an expression like yo. Yo yandiphazamisa. Please move to the side. And then it says, can't you see that you're blocking my view? Sisi matata lo mntwana lo, which means this is the most beautiful woman I've ever seen right here standing in front of me. And when you're just standing in front of me and you're blocking my view and I can no longer see this beautiful woman who's standing in front of me, please move to the side so I can see this beautiful goddess that's in front of me. And Isimatata is a goddess. So Sisimatata lo mntwana lo, this lady is a goddess. Yo, like it's just an expression like yo, you know, yo, wow. It's more like wow. Yo is more like wow. And then it says, I hear noises, yivilizwi lakhe. And then it says, okay. And then the girl says, the girl's more like, can I please be alone? Please leave me alone. And then it says, and then it says, yivilizwi lakhe, which means would you listen to her voice? Wow, such a beautiful voice. And then it says, ndifuna ukuhlala nawe. And then, which means I just want to be with you, girl. You're so beautiful. You're such a goddess, and I think I'm in love. Maybe this is love at first sight. And then the girl is like, yima booty. Yima booty is like, brother, please, just go away. Please, just go away. And then it says, andifuni wena, which means I don't want to be with you. Okay, I don't want to be with you. And then it says, shh, mamela, like shh, listen, Linda, listen, okay, listen. And then inhliziyo yakho neyam zibetha kanye, which means my heart and yours, they beat as one, lady. My heart and yours beat as one. Inhliziyo yam neyakho zibetha kanye. Your heart and my heart beat as one. Where was I? Just zibetha kanye thembisa kuyohlala kunjalo ngoba ndiyakuthembisa, which is more like I promise you it will forever and always be like that. I love you, girl. Angeke ndakulibala nanini na, which means I will never, in my whole entire life, I will never ever forget you. Any day I will never ever forget you. Uyawuhlala uhleli engqondweni yami. Uyinto yonke kum nakum. You will forever live in my mind. Ingqondo is the mind. You are tattooed in my mind. You'll forever live in my mind. And then it says, which means you are everything to me. You are my all. And then ngakufela ngiyakuthanda. I would even like take a bullet for you. I would die for you. Girl, I love you. Ngiyakuthanda. I love you. Amaqhinga aphelile ngiyazifela. Which means like I ran out of excuses. I don't even want to play games with you. I love you and that's it. I just want to be with you because I love you. I don't even want to play games with you or anything like that. I'm just like is it proper to say obsessed? But I love you deeply. Like I'm head over heels for you. Yeah, that's what it means. I'm head over heels for you. So Sondela sthandwa sisimatsatsa lo mntwana. You're like, babe, please just come to me. Come to me. Love me. Come to me, Sondela. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer. Sondela is please come closer. Sondela sthandwa. Come closer, my love. Sisimatsatsa lo mntwana lo. Come closer, my love. You're such a goddess. This lady is such a goddess. Yo is like wow once again. And then the girl would say, "Diceli gama lakho, which means the girl is now like, can I have your name? Can I have your name, please? What's your name? Okay, what's your name now?" And then he's like, "Yivilizwi lakhe," which means, could you just listen to her voice? Such a beautiful voice she has. And then it says, Kauleges. I guess that's his name, but I've never heard someone in Xhosa name that. Kauleges. And then the girl says, Ndifuna wena, which means, okay, I want to be with you as well. I just want to be with you. And then I guess now the guy is just happy. And then he says, Tine, tananana, tine, which is like an expression of being happy. And that's just the chorus. Woza dali, woza sweetie, which means come to me, my love, come to me, honey, and come to me, my love, come to me, my darling. Woza sweetie, woza dali, angeke, ndakulibala, ayo, oh, which means I will never, ever forget about you. You will forever be in my mind. Awu mntasekhaya, ndingakulibala kanjani phezu kwayo yonke into ondenzela yona. How can I forget you after all the things we've been through, after everything you've done for me? Kuzo zonke izinto ondibonise zona, angeke ndakulibala. You've shown me a lot of things in life and you've taught me a lot and I will never forget you. Yo yinto engeke yenzeke leyo. That will never forget. That's something that will never forget. I will never forget you. Like that will something that will never happen. And then kum nakum kanti kum futhi angeke. Kum nakum. You're my one and only. You are mine and only. I will never forget you. Ever and ever. So man. Kum nagum, you're mine and only to me. I'll never forget you. I'll forever and always love you. So that was Kum Nagum by Ringo, Madlingozi. I hope you guys enjoyed listening to me translate and read these songs for you guys. Yeah, not it for today's video. Ulale kakuhle, uphole kakuhle, uzole kakuhle, noba into oyenzayo uyenze kakuhle. Mna zokubona kwixesha elizayo. Bye.